Hey there, this is Darren from Papa GS Small Car Garage. Just got some stuff to show you that I picked up at the Mid-Michigan Model Show here in Saginaw back in February. I'm running a little bit behind on showing you this stuff, but I got quite the haul. So bear with me. Let's go through some stuff I picked up at the swap meet. One, picked up this Snapfast, the Dodge concept car. These are really cool body. And these snap kits, they're just getting harder to find and bringing a little bit of money. And with me having grandkids, never know, these might be some for them down the road. Also, this Ford GT90, excuse me. I built this years ago. This was a fun kit, so I know Kane, he's going to be calling dibs on this one here. Also, too, picked up this Lindbergh Chrysler Sebring convertible. For 10 bucks, I couldn't turn this thing down. I mean, it's kind of unique. Who knows? One day, it might be a fun build. Maybe a show winner. Hell, I doubt it, but had to pick me up the Pro Street Dodge Super B. This has always been a great kit, and I haven't seen it too much in a while, so I thought this would be a nice one to add along to the stash. Next up, there was an Altermad. These used to be quite a few back in the 90s. I just don't see them that much anymore. Kind of forgot about the kit, and they had them at the show, this one here. So I was like, yeah, jump in the cart. You're going home with me. And the 66 GTO, the Revell one. I've got an idea that I want to do with this kit. And for years, since I've been a kid, had an idea what I want to do with a 66 GTO. So I'm not going to give that away yet, and let that be a future build down the road here, hopefully. So I was happy to pick this kit up. Then for the raffle, I did win a John Wick Chevelle. I bought 20 tickets and ended up bringing home that John Wick one. This funny car Chevelle also. I've never built this kit, opened this kit, but hey, it was part of a win. Oddly enough, the third car I won off the raffle, of course, a Buick GSX. Can't go wrong with that. I can never have enough of those GSXs. A few more things I picked up. Some guys there from Wins 3D Printing. They had some stuff, a whole table full of stuff. I picked up a Cummins 5.2 engine and just a few little milk crates for diorama purposes. It's not done yet. Picked up this Heller Citroen. This is kind of an ugly car, but I like ugly. It's unique. Everything's here. Got a good deal on it. Couple rebuilder kits. Picked up the Dodge Little Red Express. It'd been started. Someone put it together, but easily came apart. This will be a really easy rebuilder. This one and the 85 Camaro. I've been meaning to pick this up. I just never had. But this one, somebody started it. No paint, so I like that. Just had some glue together stuff. Everything came apart, except for that nice 305. But the nice thing is I did. If I do decide to use this, I can probably throw it in the freezer, break it apart, get it painted up. But I paid for the Camaro and the Little Red Express, I believe, 10 bucks for the two of them. I couldn't say no. Got over into some small scale stuff. This is a pretty cool little pickup. So 148th, it looks like a Mack backwoods miniatures. It's actually resin and metal. Pretty neat little kit. Kind of anxious to do something with that someday. Then along that same level also is a Chevrolet truck. Nice little resin cab with it. It's got some white metal parts and more resin, photo etching, and this looks like it's going to be something really cool and pretty detailed for the scale it is. And I think I gave maybe $10 for those two small scale trucks. Picked up a Pyro 52 Chevy. Everything's there. Neat little old kit. Then this here, it's a bag kit, but what it is, this is a 132nd Glidden Ford EXP. I thought being a Bob Glidden car, it might be a drag car, but it's not. It does have the stickers and it says Bob Glidden, but it's pretty much just a stock little EXP. It's detailed enough. It does have actually a little motor with it and everything. This is going to be a cool little car. Fun little build. Staying in the small scale yet, I couldn't say no to the 68 Mustang Revell. I love these old snap kits. They just bring back childhood memories. So pick that up. Also, this Fairlady 240Z. This was a nice little kit. Got a good deal on that. As well as this Heller Porsche. It's a 143rd. It's a nice little building kit. So there's more. I'm a big Honda person, so had to bring home these cool little this little 70 Honda Z23 or ZGT, excuse me. Getting ahead of myself. So 132nd. These things have super nice, just super nice little kits. These are just fun. These are a lot of fun to build up these. Along with that one was a 67 Honda N360. Dorky little car, nonetheless still up my alley, what I like and call fun with those. And was able to pick up the 143rd Camaro. Wasn't in the little square boxes like I used to get at Kmart when I was a kid, but nonetheless, nice little reissue box. These little kits, man, these are fun. Can't wait to build that one up. Then here's where I went nuts. Guy had a whole box of these original wrap 36 Ford Coupes and 48 Ford Coupes. Those are the only two in there. Two kinds. I bought all of them he had. I just says I got some ideas what to do with them. I don't know yet. I might sell a few of them, but I think I might gift some to some friends. So maybe somebody out there might get one and get challenged to a build with it. Other than that, it was a great day. The model show was great. The vendors was good. Obviously, I had a good day with the vendors. So this is going to be a nice addition to my stash. So